Good day there, everyone. Ido Alonga Gabriel by name. Today, I want to take us on how to draw a trend line and how to identify trend with MACD and trend line. How to identify trend with MACD and trend line. First of all, if you're going to draw your trend line, you draw your trend line by the right hand. Your trend line should be on the right side. Either you are drawing your trend line in bullish side or bearish side. This one I have here is bullish. Market is bullish from here. Call. We can all see it. As you can see, with a bullish movement. So if you draw your trend line from here, you're not going to cut any candle, no matter how weak the candle is. You're not going to cut any candle. Make sure you didn't cut any candle. Let me make it big for us, and we're still going to smaller time frame for us to see very clear. And before we go far, I want you to always do your analysis from bigger time frame down to smaller time frame, which is top-down analysis. This will make you see everything very clear. The more you go down to the smaller time frame, the more the market is noisy. And when the market is full of noise, you will be confused and you won't know what to do. Okay, so this will lead to you making wrong decision. This is maybe for you. You are training to make money, not to lose your heart and so let's draw a trend line here. Let's draw a trend line. We can all see that this particular candle is a very weak candle, but we are not going to cut it off. We are going to draw our trend line like this. We are going to draw our trend line like this. This is daily charts. This is the daily charts. The Canadian dollar and Swiss francs, which is card shelf. From this trend line that I just draw, we see very clearly. We know market is moving upward. We know market is bullish, market is trending to this place. When market started from this spot, don't know, maybe it's still moving. What did we have here? Market go from here to here, then it come back here. It come back. The moment market continue going up, the moment market continue going up from here, it break this spot that is the former high when market start going up from here. The moment market break this spot, this show us that we are in trading mode. Whenever you see market going up or going down like this, then make some correction like this, and it started coming back doing like this. The moment market break this former lower low or high that we have here, this is sign number one that we are in trending mode. The market is trending towards that direction. I will still show us more on a smaller time frame. As we can see, once you see that market break this place, market breakout from here, you just apply your trend line tools and you draw it like this. Then if you are somebody that is trading breakouts, you find your way in this place. But we are still going, I'm still going to talk about how to enter market, how to find your sell or buy zone spot. Then you can execute your trade. You can execute your trade and you will come out with profits. So let's proceed. Market move from here. Market move from this place. Immediately it break here, it continue going up. What did we see here? Consolidation. Market continue consolidating. You know, if you draw your trend line, you will definitely see that market respects this trend line. Trend line is one of those tools that market respects when we are in trending mode. When market is trending towards bullish or towards bearish, towards up or towards down. As you can see, once market get to this spot, what do you see? Market push back up. So let's say you enter from here as somebody that's trading breakout. Once market move here, you know, from here you double your, you'll be double your price like 1 to 2 with your reward. Market continue going up. This is the point 1. Sorry, this is the point 1.2. When market continue coming down, the moment you see the market break your trend line, which means that trending mood is over for that moment, like it's sustained for that moment. It may continue, but it's sustained for that moment. What did we see here? What did you see here? Let's draw our trend line. Now what we have here before, this is bullish market. Market is going up for here. Now let's see bearish market. Now market is selling here. Pick your trend line, just draw it down. Make sure you don't cut any candle. What did we see here? We are in trending move towards down, which is bearish. So in a bigger time frame, we know it's very clear now that we are in what? We are in bearish mode. We are in trending zone towards down. So this is how to draw your trend line. Let me remove this or this. We'll draw so that the chart won't be confused. I believe you are understanding it. So what you are going to do now, this is the first touch. This is the first touch when you draw your trend line. This is the first touch. Now we have second touch here. What we are expecting now, market continue going down. Market continue going down. Like I told you before, the moment we have a sell here, that you draw your trend line. What did you see? When market come back and touch here, and market do what? It breaks here. What did you see? Market continue selling. So this is how to draw your trend line. Let's go to 4-hour charts and see what is happening there. This is our 4-hour charts. We can all see that market is showing trending as well from this up, which means we are still in trending mood. You can see the market is still trending down. What happened? The first touches here after this consolidation. After this consolidation, what did you see? You see market come and touch here and move, break this one, then draw. The moment market break this last one, you can see markets keep coming down. Excuse me. Markets keep coming down. Then if you draw your trend line from here, you see the market touches here second time, even here third time. So let's go down to 1-hour chart and see what is happening there before we make decision. So in 4-hour charts, we all know that we are trending mode down, but we can see the market is preparing to sell to buy. Market is preparing to buy. This is bullish preparation. But from here, let's say you come to this place, you see here there's something I'm going to show us how you are going to use your MACD and Trendline to know when we are in trending mode. I'm only showing you the trend line at first, how you can draw it, how you observe what market is doing in a bigger time frame before you make decision in a smaller time frame. They were going to stop on 1-hour time frame. We are not going down because we are trying not to get confused or disturb ourselves or make wrong decision by going down to smaller time frame. This is the number one. When you come to 1 hour, then what you see here, can you see? You draw your trend line again. You draw a trend line without cutting any candle. Please always have this in mind. Do not cut any candle away. Do not cut any candles away. You see, like I said, trend line is very strong and powerful tools when you are trying to identify trending markets. Market come from here. First of all, if you draw your trend line, this is going to be your trend line. This is what you first of all get, because you never knew market is coming to this spot. So you draw your trend line from here. Market move from here. It touches your trend line. It continue going up. It comes second time. Third time, second time, it breaks this trend line. It breaks this trend line. Then you go up and come again. What did you see? It push up. So from here now, if your first trend line is here and market breaks it, you are going to draw another trend line. You are going to draw another trend line. Then this is the one I draw that I just show you.